Hi everyone, this is Senthil Kumar from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this presentation, we discuss about types of slope failure. Stability of slopes. Earth slopes are unsupported, inclined surface of a soil mass. Earth slopes are formed for railway formation, embankments, earth bank, canal dam, levees, and at any other locations. The failure of soil mass occurs along a plane or curved surface. The factors leading to failure of slope may be classified into two types. First one, the factor which cause an increase in shear stress. The stress may increase due to weight of water, surcharge load, seepage pressure, etc. The factors which cause decrease in shear strength, that is the loss of shear strength due to increase in water content, increase in pore water pressure, cyclic loads, weathering and other causes. Slope failure, there are several terms are used. First one is fall. This is the detachment of soil or rock fragments that fall down a slope. Topple, this is a forward rotation of soil or rock mass about an axis below the center of gravity of mass being displaced. Third one, slide. This is the downward movement of soil mass occurring on a surface of rupture. Fourth one, spread. This is a form of slide by translation. It occurs by sudden movement of water, that is bearing seams of sand or silt overlain by clay or loaded by fills. Fifth one, flow. This is the downward movement of soil mass similar to viscous fluid. Types of slope failure. There are four types of slope failure. First one, rotational failure. Second one, translational failure. Third, compound failure. Fourth one is wedge failure. First one, rotational slope failure. The failure occurs by rotation along a slip surface by downward and outward movement of soil mass. The slip surface is generally circular. The rotational failures are further divided into three types. First one is toe failure, second slope failure, and third one is base failure. There are three types of rotational slope failure. First one, toe failure. The failure occurs along the surface that passes through the toe. Second one is slope failure. The failure occurs along the surface that intersect the slope above the toe. And third one is base failure. The failure occurs along the surface that passes below the toe. There are three different types of failure in the rotational slope failure. Second one, translational slope failure. This type of failure occurs in infinite slope. Translation failure occurs along the surface parallel to the slope. The failure of slope along the weak zone of the soil. The sliding must travel long distance before coming to rest. The failure occurs commonly in coarse grained soil. Third one, compound slope failure. The combination of rotational failure and translation failure occur in the slope. We call it as compound slope failure. It is curved at both the ends and plane in the middle. And fourth one is wedge slope failure, a failure along the inclined plane. It occurs when distinct blocks of soil or get separated from the slope surface. We call it as wedge slope failure. Next one is causes of slope failure. First one, earthquake. They induce dynamic shear forces. In addition, there is a sudden build-up of pore water pressure that reduces the available shear strength. Due to this, there is a possibility of slope failure. And second one is external loading. The additional loads placed on top of the slope increase the gravitational force that may cause the slope to fail. Third one, construction activity. If any excavation at the bottom of the sloping surface will make the slope steep and thereby increasing the gravitational force which may result in slope failure. Fourth one, erosion. The wind and flowing water causes erosion of top surface of slope and makes the slope steep and thereby increase the tangential component of driving force. Fifth one, steady seepage. The seepage forces in the sloping direction add to gravity forces and make the slope susceptible to instability. The pore water pressure decreases the shear strength of soil. This condition is critical for the downstream slope. And sixth one is rainfall. The long period of rainfall saturates the soil mass. The soil can soften and erode the soils. Water enters into the existing cracks and may weaken underlying soil layer, leading to failure. For example, mudslides during the rainfall season. These are some of the slope protection methods to improve the stability of slopes. First one, forming surface drainage channel to slope. Second one, growing plants and vegetation in the slope surface. Third one, construction gabion walls. And fourth one is shotcreting in slope. And fifth one is meshing in slope surface. Sixth one, soil nailing. And seventh one, slope stabilization. There are some other techniques also used to slope protection methods to improve the stability of slope. Thank you.